Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Pore. Today I've got video number 2 on our Back to Basics Beginner's Guide series. This video is really tips and tricks about priming and foundation application. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, you guys are making me so sad. Please go ahead and subscribe, share, comment, like, do all the fun stuff down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Alright you guys, so I have done my skincare routine, so my face is clean and moisturized. My very first step in my makeup routine will be to actually prime my face. A primer is actually good to create a smooth base for me to apply my foundation. I prefer silicone based primers because they actually help to minimize my pores and also actually fill in those bumps and stuff that I've got on my face, so that when I apply my foundation, it applies on a smooth base. These are the kinds of primers I'm talking about. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish foundation primer. This primer is quite high end. I have a dupe of this that is drugstore, is the Maybelline New Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. I use this on a day-to-day basis. The other one I use on special occasions like today. Today I'll be using this primer. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, oil free. Let me just read at the back of this primer. It says increase the longevity. Oh my gosh, I can't say this word. Longevity. Okay, let's say longevity. Is it longevity? Okay. Increase the longevity of foundation while reducing the appearance of fine lines and pores. Apply over clean, moisturized skin. So you don't use a lot, you guys. Just like a pea-sized little drop, and you don't have to. That's a bit much. Okay, there we go. Is it clear? Some people choose to apply on places where they've got the large pores. For me, it's usually around here and a bit, I don't know why, but a bit on my forehead. So I will, let me just go ahead and apply. And the best way to apply primer is to use your hands. I don't know anyone who uses a brush or something like that to apply primer. Like I said, I don't really need to put it all over my face, just on the areas that I know I need it the most. So that's what I'm doing. Oh guys, it's so nice and smooth when you apply it. Like, it's got a silicone feel to it, so it's quite great. I usually put on my primer on my bare face like this. And then I will do my eye makeup and then carry on. So just give me a sec while I go and do my eye makeup, and then I'll be back. Okay you guys, so I've done my eyes. It helps to allow your primer to actually sink into your skin before you slap on your foundation. So the time I actually use to go and do my eyes, it also allows my primer to sink in. So now that my primer is nicely on my face, I can just go ahead and apply my foundation. So I'm gonna start by actually trying to conceal. I know I have 2 spots over here. This one is actually my fault. This is actually a mole, and there's like a pimple under my mole. So I don't know what's going on there, but I'm going to conceal using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. So I'm just gonna conceal this one. Just like that. You don't even need to really blend it in. You just need to wait for it to dry and then apply my foundation. Just gonna give it a little while. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply my foundation. I'm using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 in the color NW43. Here it is. This is actually my only foundation that I own that I actually got color matched at the store. So it is actually my correct shade. Okay, so I start off by just putting the foundation on the back of my hand. This actually helps to warm up the foundation as well. As you can see, it's almost finished, and wow, the closest MAC That is closest to me is 2 hours away, so I don't know. I love this foundation so much, so I need to I don't know, get some more. This is what I've got. Warming up the foundation, this helps to not make your foundation cakey. It melts the foundation a bit, so if you put it on the back of your skin, your blood, your body heat warms it up for you. I'm going to be using my Real Techniques Expect Face brush. I love this brush so much. It's so diverse. You can just it has many uses. You can use it on powder stuff on your face, you can use it on cream, you can use it on liquid. So anyway, so I start by just applying my foundation on like so. You can see this is almost finished. You start small with foundation and then you build up from there. So like I said, you start from the middle of your face and then you just push in the product into your face just like so. I think this is enough foundation. I just need to spread it around nicely around my face. Okay, so there we go, push it in. I don't know what this method is called. Just push it in like this. I actually use multiple methods. At some point I will be doing circular motions around my face. And when you match your foundation, it's best to match it to your neck, because you don't want to have, say your neck is dark, you don't want to have a light face and then you have this dark neck, or vice versa. So yeah, so even if you're just going to the drugstore, Clicks or something, and you're trying on testers, that helps. So this is what you do. And then this is why I didn't put eyeliner underneath my eye. So most people use just one tool to apply foundation. Guys, don't forget your neck, okay? Don't do it, girl. Just use one tool to apply your foundation. I prefer to use this and a sponge. The sponge, I use a gloss to help to blend in the foundation nicely. Now that I have actually pressed in the product, the foundation onto my face using my brush, I will go ahead and just continue to blend using my, what is this? It is the Real Techniques complexion sponge. It's damp, not too damp, guys. I actually squeezed out most of the water, and then I just blend in this way. The damper it is, I feel it actually takes away product instead of helping to blend it in. It actually removes quite a bit. And then, okay, for your under eye area, using the pointy side, and then blend. Guys, this is the part during your makeup application that you should be spending the most time, because this is like your foundation. It needs to be blended out nicely. This and your eyebrows. If I'm late for work because I've applied my makeup, I better have wasted or spent most of my time doing my eyebrows and my foundation. I mean, you can't be late because what? I was applying lipstick and it took me 2 hours. Guys, this is just showing the foundation part of my step of my makeup application, and I know that other people include the highlighting with the concealer and stuff in this, but this is a beginner's or back to basics video. I mean, back in the day, you could just put on your powder, put on your lipstick, and you're done. That's it. So I'm going to end this video here because this is our step-by-step. This is a complete step on its own, and you could be done with your makeup, and then we'll do other steps on our next videos. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Is it nicely blended in? I don't know, it looks good to me. I will finish off the rest of my face and show you guys, and then yeah.